Let me, okay. Sorry, I'm like in my, I'm in like my emo feels right now. But hi guys, I cut my hair today. Oh my gosh, I feel like a little woman. I just put it up in a scrunchie. It's wicked gross outside, it's snowing. But yeah, so I checked my email and my James Charles palette has arrived. So I'm going to go get that from my package room at my apartments. And I'm like so excited to open it. I'm literally wheezing. Oh my god. I'm sweating. That was a struggle. I could not find my package, but I got it. I'm like opening this so weirdly because I'm trying to show you guys. Whew. Oh my god. James. I'm screaming. He's so cute. Like, don't even want to open it. It looks so good. On the back it says, "Hi sisters. James Charles here and welcome back to my palette. I love glam, but I also have a huge passion for crazy, colorful, outside of the box makeup, and I created this palette with that in mind. I included every beautiful formulated shade necessary to create literally any look you could possibly imagine. I can't wait to see what you come up with when you unleash your inner artist." Ooh, it even comes in bubble wrap. Damn, James. Ah! I'm honestly like in shock. Like, this palette is huge. I'm so excited. Like, oh my god, stop. I feel like I'm getting like a PR package when I'm totally not. I totally use my own money to pay for this. James, I love you. I honestly am like not even gonna use all the colors. I just really wanted to support him. It's just so cool to see someone on YouTube grow. Like, I don't even know him personally and I'm like so excited. Oh my god. Yeah, that's basically it. I wore this sweatshirt in my last vlog, so that's cool. I was just finishing editing my video for tonight. And guys, honestly, I think I'm going to change my upload day because Friday is just like not a good day, especially at 8 o'clock because everybody's out going to parties and stuff. I just feel like it's a really bad time and like no one's gonna watch my video. So I might change it to like Sunday at like 12 p.m. or something. Just so like everybody gets a chance to like watch my video or something. I don't freaking know if you want to watch it. Was anybody else like wicked emo and like love punk rock music? Still to this day, I love that music. Like, it's literally my favorite genre. And right now I'm just like listening to my emo Kate playlist. What is wrong with me? That's enough of that.
The one way.